Many companies have fallen into a crisis. A crisis is a time of intense difficulty, trouble, or danger. On August 9, 2000, Firestone and Ford issued a recall of 6.5 million tires after the U.S. National Highway Traffic Safety Administration contacted them about a high incidence of tire failure on Ford trucks fitted with Firestone tires. A large number of lawsuits were filed against both Ford and Firestone. Lawyers for the plaintiffs have argued that both Ford and Firestone knew of the danger but did nothing. In the midst of this crisis, Ford and Firestone tires responded negatively by blaming the consumer, blaming each other, and taking their time to tell what was being done about the situation. On March 24, 1989, Exxon Oil experienced a crisis as well. The Exxon Valdez oil spill occurred in Alaska when an oil tanker bound for Long Beach, California struck Prince William Sound Bligh Reef and spilled more than 260,000 barrels of crude oil. The spill had both short-term and long-term economic effects, including the loss of recreational sports, fisheries, and reduced tourism. Exxon handled this crisis poorly because they took too long to respond, had no effective crisis plan, showed little leadership, and appeared indifferent to the environmental destruction. Exercising the following tips in both situations could have reduced the backlash on all the companies. Respond quickly. Responding quickly allows for you to frame the story from the minute it is reported. Stay on top of the media. Staying on top of the media helps you monitor what is being said about the crisis, enabling you to control the confusion that many media outlets will cause. Setting up two-way communication allows for your public to voice their opinions and concerns and receive feedback from your company. Tell the truth. Utilizing these tips can be beneficial for managing a public relations crisis.